Welcome again, my dear friend. I am going to explain you one topic: verification of the differential equation. So, verification of the differential equation is nothing but there is one thing rule. So, I will explain you by keeping one example. Verify that the given function y minus cosine of y equal to x is a solution of differential equation y sin y plus cosine y plus x into y dash is equal to y. What is the meaning of verification? Verification means see, this is function is given. So what you have to do, find the values of this one from this given function, substitute here. If this right hand side or left hand side is equal to right hand side, or right hand side is equal to left hand side becomes equal, that means function verified to the given differential equation. Otherwise, if it is not, it means not verified. So now I am going to check that one. What is that means? Solution of that, the given function is y minus cosine of y equal to x. See that one here, y dash. Y dash means y1. So first, or you can say that one y. Here y dash, you can say that one y1, or you can say that dy dx. So what we have to write for y dash means first derivative. So differentiate this one. Differentiating this one with respect to x, we get y1 minus derivative of cosine is minus sign, so minus minus plus sine y, and derivative of y is y1 equal to derivative of 1 is this one. So see, if you see that one, y1 is common, so that keep outside, so it coming 1 plus sine y equal to 1. So therefore y1 equal to 1 divided by 1 plus sine y. Now from given differential equation, see that one here. Now from given differential equation, what is that? Y sine y plus cosine y plus x into y dash is equal to y. Now substitute that one, y sine y plus cosine of y plus, see, because of we have to reduce all the term and it will come as y. So see that one, it means x you have to cancel. So see here, can I replace, see, from this function x plus cosine y is y. So x plus cosine y means y. So in place of this one, we can put it as y into y dash. Y dash means 1 plus sine y. So what is this y? It should be become y. So now check that one. Y is common. Keep outside y. So what is remaining? 1 plus sine y divided by 1 plus sine y. Cancel this one. What is coming? Y. What is the right hand side? Y. So hence, see that one, y equal to y, it means that one function satisfy the given differential equation. This is the meaning of this one. Hope you understand this one, my dear students. Another question related to that one. Example 2. Verify that given function xy equal to ln of y plus c satisfy the differential equation y1 equal to y square divided by 1 minus xy, where xy is not equal to 1. This is the important condition. If xy equal to 1, then this becomes infinity. So now I am going to check whether this one is satisfied or not. So for that one, again nothing, just check what he wants, y1, that means first derivative. So given function is xy equal to ln of y plus c. Differentiate this one by using product. So x y1 plus y is equal to derivative of ln y is 1 divided by y into y dash. Now keep all y dash one side. So xy1 minus y1 divided by y, and keep this one here. And now keep means taking outside common y1. So what is remaining? X minus 1 divided by y equal to minus y. Now simplify it. Y1 xy minus 1 divided by y is equal to minus y. So simplify, because of what he needs, y1 value is y square divided. So what you have to do? Can I write this one as use cross multiplication, this by this? Minus y square divided by xy minus 1. But he needs this positive term. So xy is negative and 1 is positive. So multiply by taking common minus. So when you keep minus, it y square divided by minus 1 minus xy, and this cancel. So y1 is equal to y square divided by xy, hence satisfies. That means satisfies. That means given differential equation satisfied by using the function. Hopefully you understand, my dear friend. This is the answer of that one. Or you can say that one, satisfaction, this function satisfy with the given differential equation. Another example related to that one is, verify that function y equal to square root of 1 plus x square satisfying the function satisfying the differential equation y1 equal to xy divided by 1 plus x square. So now I am going to check that one. Function is y is equal to 1 plus x square. So what is he needs? y1. So right here, can I write this one as y is equal to 1 plus x square to the power half. So find the y1. y1 means by using chain rule 1 by 2, 1 plus x square power minus half, and derivative of x square is 1 plus x square is 2x. Cancel this one. y1 is equal to x divided by 1 plus x square. This is y1. But see that one, this and this not same. What is that here? 1 plus x square, and here is square root. So multiply up and down by square root. So it comes 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square. So what becomes now? This becomes y1 equal to x is square root of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now see that one, 1 plus x square, y1 equal to x, and 1 plus x square is y divided by 1 plus x square. So see that one, this satisfy x y divided by 1 plus x square, hence satisfied. Hence satisfied. That means this is your answer. Hopefully you understand, my dear friends. Another example to that one is, verify that function y equal to x ln of x plus ax minus 5 satisfy the differential equation x y1 minus 1 minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So what he needs, see that one here, he needs y1. So for the solution of that one, we need y1 means first derivative, y equal to x ln of x plus ax minus 5. Find the derivative y1, x by using product x divided by 1 by x plus ln of x plus ax. This is your y1. y1 is 1 plus ln of x plus a. Now from differential equation x y1 means 1 plus ln of x plus a minus 1 minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Now simplify it, x plus x ln of x plus ax minus a minus x minus y. Y means x ln of x minus ax plus 5 and this one is plus 5. This one is what? Actually here it is given here plus. So here minus x minus x minus ax minus 5 plus 5 equal to, we have to prove y is 0. So see there, this cancel, this one cancel, plus ax minus ax plus 5 minus 5 cancel. So hence see that one, it is satisfied. That means this one is verified the differential equation. Another example related to that one is verify that the function y equal to a e power 4x plus b e power minus x satisfying the differential equation y2 minus 3y1 minus 4y equal to 0. So what we have to do? We have to find, see that one, y2, y1. So from the given function we need to solve it. Y equal to a e power 4x plus b e power minus x. Find the y1, y2. So it is coming a 4a e power 4x minus b e power minus x. y2 is equal to 16a e power 4x plus b e power minus x. Now from the given differential equation substitute. Now from given differential equation y2 minus 3y1 minus 4y should be equal to 0. So check, I am going to check 16a e power 4x plus b e power minus x, this is y2, minus 3y1, that means 3 multiplied by full term. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, a e power 4x minus plus 3b e power minus x, and then minus 4y means 4a e power 4x minus 4b e power minus x. So see that one, 16, 12 and this 16. So this and this cancel. See that one, 3b plus b, 4b e power minus x and minus 4b. So this one is also cancelled. So hence satisfied. This means hence satisfied. That means this function satisfied the given differential equation. Hence satisfy the equation means this is the answer of that one. Another example related to that one, verify that y equal to a e power tan inverse of x satisfying the given differential equation, satisfying the differential equation 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x minus 1 y1 equal to 0. So now I am going to check that one, y2 required, that means second derivative. So now I am going to check from first a e power tan inverse of x, right, second derivative, y1 equal to a e power tan inverse x means e power tan inverse x, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. We can write it, see that one, a e power tan inverse x means y, so y divided by 1 plus x square. Now we need second derivative. So y2, use division rule, 1 plus x square, derivative of y is y1 minus y, and derivative of x 1 plus x square is 2x divided by 1 plus x square power 2. Now this is the second derivative and you need second derivative in that one. So just from that, see here, simplify it and then check what happened. So cross multiply, So when you use the cross multiplication, it comes 1 plus x square power 2. 1 plus x square power 2 into y2 is equal to 1 plus x square y1 minus 2xy. But see that one, there is no y term in the given question, given differential equation. So what we have to do? We have to reduce the y1 term. We have to reduce the y term. So what we have to do? We have to reduce that one by using this one. So from first equation, we can write it 1 plus x square power 2 y2 is equal to 1 plus x square y1 minus 2x. The value of y is y1 plus x square into y1. See that one, the value of y is y1 into 1 plus x square. Now see 1 plus x square here and here also. So keep 1 plus x square, divide by 1 plus x square every side. So we get like that one, y1 minus 2x y1. Now 1 plus x square y2, keep y1 here common. So it comes 1 minus 2x. But he needs this one. So replace this here, 1 plus x square y2, replace this comes minus plus 2x minus 1 y1 equal to 0. See that one, hence satisfy that one. That means this is your answer. Hopefully you understand, my dear student.